Hello. So tip number 4 in how you can reduce the interest that you pay on your home loan is obviously putting down a bigger deposit and saving up for a deposit. I know people are arguing to say that as you sit and wait and you're trying to save on your deposit, houses are getting more expensive and things are getting more expensive. But the reality of life is that you need to know what your budget is and you need to know what you're working with. And when we say save up a deposit, obviously we're talking to people who, have maybe get a bonus at the end of the year and it's a huge sum of money and they don't really know what to do with that money, and instead of going and spending it frivolously, you'd rather put it in an account and save it as a deposit on a home or a home loan. Basically, that's what you're saying. And also remember that if you go to the bank and you get a home loan, and let's say you're looking for 800,000 rand from the bank, and the bank approves you for that 800,000 rand, and you were great and you're excited and you're happy to go, remember that in between the day your bond gets approved and the day your title deed actually gets transferred, you need to remember that you must not get other credit, because if you go out and get other credit, it means that you're going to jeopardize your home loan. A bank has got the right to retract a home loan even after it's been granted to you, because what they do is they always continuously checking your affordability and your risk profile. So it's very important that once you get that home loan, up until the house is actually, transferred into the bank basically, and your bond is actually registered and you start paying for this bond, it's important that you don't go buy a new car, you don't add any more credit, unless of course you got a promotion at work and your salary has been increased. Then by all means do what you need to do, but you need your financial standing from the day your bond is actually approved up until the day it's been registered and you are ready to actually kick off the bond account and start paying. You need to have the same financial standing from day one up until the last day of when you actually start paying this bond, because as I said, banks have the right to retract your bond and basically you have no more bond and you have to do the whole process again, and you might not get the money that you're actually looking for. So it's very important not to get additional credit while you're waiting for your bond to be registered. Mwah!